Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today is our point of sale system step by step part 6 tutorial. In our last class we saw how to connect with the database and handle with the login form. In last class I forgot one thing to do my project, that is if the user without enter anything else on username and password and press login button, the error should be displayed, username and password should be blank. Here I show the demo. If the user without entering anything else, leave it as blank and click login button. Here no that kind of errors here, it just show some try again message only throw. Okay, I want to display the message first. Username and password should be blank. Okay, that is the first error which we saw. Okay, so let me see how to do this task. Okay, double click on the login form. Here this will be the if count. This is meaning of the user. If the user enter more than 3 times, show this error. After this if, I am going to put another else if. If it is okay, go to the else if and check else if. Here this error will be occur when the user try more than 3 times only. Okay, otherwise it's not this message not what come. This one will be if the user without here else if. Here I am going to give another condition. This username, the username means this whatever user enter on this text box is passed into the variable username. Here get it, this variable within this bracket username equal blank. If the username text box should be blank and the whatever user enter here is passed into password text box. So password should be also the user doesn't enter anything else. If it is blank, it's considered as blank. If it is a double quotation without entering anything else, it's considered as blank. The program will be considered as blank. Throw the error. Whenever you throw the error, you can put the label and throw the error. Okay, so the label is the error message. Label 4 is considered as error message. Dot text equal within the double quotation mark. You have to enter username and password cannot be blank. Okay, username and password cannot be blank. Okay, you must put this coding when you are writing the program for the especially login form, because if it is not put this coding, it is not efficient way to write the program. Okay, this is the efficient way to writing the program like this. If the username and password are blank, both are blank, you should throw this error. Okay, now you can go and start the program again. We test it if it is work or not. Here if the user doesn't enter anything else, you just click login button. Here username and password cannot be blank. Okay, that is the thing you have to do. After that, another important stuff you have to do is, another one is, if the user type the username and password wrongly and click login button, here you notice that the try again message will be displayed on the top. After that, the message, the text box, username text box and password text box should clear. After show the message, this both text box should be clear and focus on the cursor on username text box. Okay, that is a very efficient way to write the program. Okay, let me see how to do this one. Let's close it. Here go to the coding part. If it is show the error means this try again message. When the user enter the username and password wrong, this message will be throwing try again. So after throw this message, try again, display this message, you have to clear both text boxes. Which text boxes? First one will be text user. This meaning of this text box is considered as this box, text box. After that, this text box. Okay, so you have to get the name from here. This text box name will be txt user. This text box name will be txt pass. Okay, so go to this error message. Under this error message, you have to write the text box name, text user dot call the clear method. Okay, call the clear method. What this method does is, it's clear all over the text box. Whatever you enter the value on the text box, txt user text box, it's completely clear after show this message when you call this function. Okay, this function does like this. The same thing you have to put the txt pass text boxes also here. This text box mean this one. Okay, you have to clear this text box also. Whatever enter in your password field also, it will be when you call this method, the method does, it's clear. Whatever enter in your pass text box is completely clear. Okay, it's completely clear. Now the important stuff I need is both are clear and focus on the text box user here. A cursor will be focused on username text box. Okay, let me see how to do this one. Here if you enter username and password and click login, but the both value has been cleared, both text boxes value has been cleared, no values are here. Now the cursor is not blink anywhere. Here we can't see. You just click the text box here. Now only it's blinking. Okay, once the data has been cleared, it's focused on the username here like this. Okay, let's do how to do this task. Again, back to the coding view. Here the small coding you have to write. The text cursor will be focused on username text box. So you have to write the username text box name first and dot this. That is another function which is a focus, because it is focused on the text box text user text box. So you have to call this method text user focus. That's it. Sure. That is the task you have to do. Okay, let me see how it's work. Here if you enter the username and password wrong, click login button, you can see it is focused on the username text box. Again, you have to enter the username and pass, it's focused on this text box again. Okay, you can enter like this. Okay, instead of that. Okay, I hope you guys you understood this lessons. Okay, I have one more things I have to do it because of this cancel button. How to write the coding of the cancel button. Okay, how to cancel this form. Okay, so let me write the coding for the cancel button. So let me run. If you want to cancel this all of the system, you have to write the cancel button coding. Just double click on the cancel button. This is the coding view of the cancel button. So easy way to application dot exit you have to call the method exit application. Mean this completely meaning of application, these forms are considered as application. Dot exit mean the complete system will be exit, so that I call the method application dot exit. Okay, let's test that. Here if you click cancel, you want to cancel this form, I no need to log in. If you cancel here, it will be cancelled. Okay, so that I call this method exit application dot exit. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please get in touch with my upcoming tutorial part 7. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.